Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Another chocolate chip cookie from Biker Baker and Mr. Smith. There are so many chocolate chip cookie recipes out there, and I've tried a few, and we're trying a different one today. And basically, they have the same things, just add an extra egg, or the 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, or you can do all white. They're all a little bit, just a little tweak. But this one has 2 sticks of butter, so 1 cup of butter. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to mix that all up until we get it nice and creamy. It's 21 degrees here today, guys, Southern Ohio. St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day. I should have wore green. Didn't think about it till just now.
Does that mean I get to pinch you?
Yeah. I'll get some green. We're going to mix this all up. We even had snow yesterday. The forsythia bushes have bloomed here, so that was the first snow after the forsythia. And we've got ground covered snow. A pretty good bit out of it. They say 3 snows after that. Hopefully we don't get any more. It's supposed to be 70 in a couple days again. Our trees are all budding out. That's nice. Except for the pollen. People won't be liking that. Alright, so we're going to pause here and let me get this all mixed up. We'll be right back. Alright, oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I made sure I got that done. So we got 4 whole eggs, room temperature. I'm just going to dump them all in at once, because that's what we do. And we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. There's that. And another little mixy mix. All right. So I have 4.5 cups of flour. I have 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So that's a little different for me too, is in that. Let me get a spatula. So I'll mix that up a little bit in there. We don't want it all in one place. All right. And that's all. We're almost done, guys. So simple. Put a little bit in.
So you don't have to add any liquid or anything, right? Just the butter and
Eggs and butter. Yeah, vanilla.
Seems like a lot of flour for that
It
amount.
does, don't it?
Yeah.
It'll be nice and thick.
Mm-hmm.
This way, when you do it yourself, you know what's in it besides buying the stick of it. But sometimes you like the stick. So convenient. But people are starting to get away from doing all that and making stuff themselves. When they find out actually how easy it is.
That and all the preservatives they put in those, it's better off to make it at home. And it's better for you. As much as it can be.
Cookies are always better for you.
I love cookies, especially chocolate chip.
Yeah. I'm using milk chocolate chips instead of semi-sweet.
That you could do dark chocolate, anything.
Yeah, you could even do the white ones. Mix them up.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Woo! Get it everywhere.
I like the dark chocolate.
Yeah. So now we're going to mix in 2 cups of chocolate chips. And this is where if you want nuts in them, you put nuts in them right now. Or if you want to add in anything else. We're just doing basic chocolate chip cookies. And these are supposed to be puffy, they said. I haven't made this recipe yet, so, you know, there's hundreds of chocolate chip cookie recipes. So maybe I just make a folder for just chocolate chip cookie recipes. So I'm going to mix this all up, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, now we're going to scoop them out here. Nice big cookies. Because that's what everybody wants. The whole big thing anymore is like anywhere from 2.5 ounce cookies to 4 and 5 ounce cookies. And big old bakery ones. And I'm not weighing these because I'm not selling them or anything. So, got 6 on here. They're going in a 375 degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. We'll let you know. All right, in my oven for 10 minutes. This is what they look like, and they are poofy, which I'm glad. That's the kind of cookies I like. So, let's see. And I'm not much, you know, on a chocolate chip cookie, but I did use milk chocolate chips, so that would make a difference for me. Here's what the bottom looks like. Nice and soft.
They sure smell good.
I could eat these ones. So good. They're crispy around the edges a little bit. And not everybody likes a puffy cookie. Some of them like the crispy, chewy, crisp on the outside, chewy on the inside, thin. All different.
So you'd rather have the poofy ones?
I do. I like the poofy ones. These right here. And I've got another batch in the oven right now, baking. So we're going to have some more. I'm going to give these to my therapist. Physical therapist. I'm going here in just about an hour and a half. Trying to get my knee situated. I don't know. This one's giving me a little bit of fits.
You're probably going to have to go in and have it manipulated.
That's what they talk about. I'm hoping not, but it looks like that may be what's going to have to happen. And then it'll be better.
Yeah. At least you'll be able to walk regularly instead of stiff-legged.
Yeah.
Walk like Chester on Gunsmoke.
Yeah, that's how I feel sometimes. So sometimes I can bend it. It's at 80%, but that's as good as it's getting, and then it just hurts so bad. And with the sciatica, it's just, I'm a mess right now. Prednisone, it's got my eyes all black underneath, making me tired. All right, enough of me. Look at these yummy cookies. All right, guys. So let us know below what kinds you like. I'll leave the ingredients to this in the description box. But let us know what kind of cookies you like or your recipe. I've got a couple recipes that somebody has sent me on here, Suzanne. I will put those in my log and I will get those done too. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype. Guys, you're doing great. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.